Howdy all you cowboys, cowgirls, gunfighters, and gamblers. We've got mail. This is a package that was sent to me by my good pard, Santee, at the Arizona Ghostriders. And I have no idea what it is. I don't think it's a bomb. Doesn't look like it. Looks like we might be safe. You never know, though, with that rapscallion, what he's got up his sleeve. Let's read the letter first. Jedi, one of my coworkers obtained a 3D printer and printed out Mr. Incredible. Seeing as that appears to be your favorite character, I made him into a version of you. Please understand that I'm no fine model painter, merely a fellow YouTuber who gets an idea in his head and won't let it go. Also, I couldn't find the world's smallest derby hat, so I included a top hat, just because you gotta have a hat. At the very least, let this bring a chuckle or a smile. Gunfightingly yours, Santee, the Scourge of Tucson. Oh, this is so cool. I'm actually really excited to see this. Oh my. Wow. 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 Holy mackerels. This is so cool. The hat just kind of balances on there, but this, oh my gosh. Santee, that's absolutely awesome. I'm speechless. No, I'm Jedi, so I'm not speechless. I'm just super excited. I will display and cherish this. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. To all you viewers out there, if you haven't seen this channel, Arizona Ghostriders, I've said it before, I'll say it again. Go check him out. He deserves all the subscribers he gets and more. Again, Santee, thank you. Thanks you guys for watching me unbox this really cool, very first ever exclusive Jedi Knight action figure. That's awesome. Thanks for watching.